Welcome to Shanghai, one of the most vibrant and dynamic cities in the world. My visit to Shanghai was an entirely new experience, but one piece of advice I received beforehand significantly enhanced the ease and the convenience of my travel. And that is what I want to share with you today. Hi everyone, I'm Arnstein from Norway Hikes and Trails, and today I'm starting our journey at the Bund, Shanghai's famous waterfront. This area is known for its stunning colonial era buildings and breathtaking views of the modern skyline across the Yangpu River. The Bund is a must-visit for anyone coming to Shanghai. You can take a leisurely stroll, enjoy the architecture, and take in the views of the futuristic skyscrapers in Pudong. But first, let's talk about how to make your trip even easier with Alipay. Upon arriving at the airport, I observed numerous individuals withdrawing substantial amounts of cash from the ATMs. As a European traveler, I initially relied on my Visa and MasterCard, expecting them to be universally accepted. However, I quickly discovered that this was not always the case. Fortunately, in situations where the Visa and MasterCard were not accepted, the Alipay app proved to be consistently reliable. Alipay is one of the most widely used mobile payment applications in China, accepted universally from street vendors to high-end restaurants. For those planning to travel to China, I highly recommend downloading the Alipay app from your app store. Once installed, open the app and register using your phone number. You will need to link a bank card or add funds to your Alipay wallet. After completing these steps, you will be ready to use the app seamlessly. Using the Alipay is super simple. Just scan the QR code provided by the vendor, enter the amount and confirm the payment. It's quick, secure, and you don't need to worry about carrying cash. Also, you avoid getting scammed at the ferry, taking you over the Yangpu River from the Bund. Using the app, it was simple. Scan the QR code and you were ready to go. Costing only 2 yuan, I heard people paying 3 to 4 times that for the same ferry ride, trying to pay for it with cash. I also used the app to rent city bikes, paying at a local 7-Eleven store, ordering and paying for taxis, and buying eSIM cards so I could surf the internet. With limitations, of course, but without being concerned about the phone bill when getting back home. I stayed at the New Bund, also known as the West Bund. This area is a hub for art and culture, with modern galleries, museums and beautiful riverside parks. Shanghai is a city that seamlessly blends the old with the new, and using Alipay makes navigating this bustling metropole a breeze. Thanks for joining me on this tour to the Bund and the New Bund. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides. See you in the next video.